It's time to celebrate the player who exhibited the best performance through the best of 7 series. Your MPL Philippines Season 13 Finals MVP is... Sanford! To award the Finals MVP trophy, please welcome Mr. Marlon Marcelo. Mr. Marlon Marcelo, Executive Director of the Philippine Esports Organization. Sanford, congratulations! Describe mo naman sa amin, anong naiisip mo, anong nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Makakabili na po ako ng bagay na di ko kailangan.
Parang narinig ko na yan. Carl TZ, congratulations. You're back to being a champion. Kamusta ang pakiramdam now that you're on top of Filipino MLBB once again?
Sobrang sarap lang po sa pakiramdam na parang lahat ng nakakalaban ko sobrang dominating tas tinatalo namin.
On your recent interview, I think with our media, nabanggit nila na tinanong ka nila, may kasama bang swerte yon? Pero sinabi mo hindi, malakas talaga kami. Ngayon, gaano ba kalakas ang Echo heading or Liquid Echo heading into MSC? Ilang porsyento ang i-expect namin from you guys?
Tingin ko po sa ganda po, 50% pa lang po namin to para sa akin.
Mara, 50% pa lang nila itong Grand Finals.
Congratulations once again to Liquid Echo. Now, we're gonna walk forward, but before we do that, you may now take your bow. And our champions, take your walk of victory.